One question. Before you were born, did you have a purpose? Did God, or nature, or the universe send you here with a specific mission? Most people would say, yes, everything happens for a reason. But there was a philosopher who looked at that idea and said, no. His name was Jean-Paul Sartre, and he gave the world one sentence that changed philosophy forever. Existence precedes essence. Let me break that down. When a carpenter builds a chair, he first has the idea of the chair in his mind, the blueprint, the purpose. Then the chair comes into existence, essence first, then existence. But with human beings, it's the other way around. You are born first, with no blueprint, no pre-assigned purpose, no instruction manual. You simply exist. And then, for the rest of your life, you decide who you are. That sounds beautiful. But Sartre didn't think it. He said something that haunts me every time I read it. Man is condemned to be free. Condemned, not blessed, not gifted, condemned. Because true freedom means there are no excuses left. You cannot say, this was my destiny. Society forced me. I had no choice. Sartre would look you in the eye and say, you always had a choice. And that realization that the weight of your entire life rests on your own shoulders, that is what he called existential anxiety. The dread that arrives when you truly understand your life has no pre-written meaning. You are holding a blank page, infinite possibilities, and no one to tell you what to write. Most people cannot handle that, so they run. Sartre called this bad faith. In French, mauvaise foi. Bad faith is the lie you tell yourself to escape your own freedom. It sounds like this. This is just who I am. I can't change. I'm only doing this because people expect it of me. I don't have a choice. When you live in bad faith, you turn yourself into an object. A waiter who says, I am just a waiter, nothing more. A son who says, I have to follow what my family wants. They are not lying to others. They are lying to themselves. They are pretending they have no freedom. Because freedom is terrifying. And for Sartre, this was the greatest betrayal a human being could commit. Betraying yourself. So what's the alternative? Sartre's answer, authentic existence. Authenticity doesn't mean doing whatever you feel like. It means acknowledging your freedom, owning your choices, and then choosing consciously, deliberately, honestly. You're not an engineer because your parents wanted it. You are an engineer because, even under pressure, you chose to say yes. Once you accept that, everything shifts. You stop being the victim of your life. You become the author. It's heavy, it's frightening, but it is the only path to a life that is genuinely yours. In the last video we asked, who are you? Today, Sartre gives us his answer. You are not what happened to you. You are what you choose to do with what happened to you. You are not pre-written. You are a draft, being rewritten every single day. So the question is no longer, who are you? The question is, who are you choosing to become?